Where have they gone? Who's got them? And what is the objective of that weapon?
No, sure. I just want to ask you this one more time, that are you at all considering tying up in some way with the BJP at the center? I just want a clear answer so that we can settle that.
Rajdeep, I can give you no clear answer. I know what you want to know, but I cannot give you any answer till I have consulted my own colleagues and all, and then I will come up with some answer as to what we propose to do. That is there. But as far as my meeting them in the past, it has been clearly from a point of view of national security.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I ask you though, that how will you respond to the critics who will say Captain Amrinder Singh came to power with hope 5 years ago, but you didn't fulfill your promises, whether taking on the drug mafia, the sacrilege issue, whether it was your commitments that were being made on various unemployment questions. How will you respond to those who will say that Captain Amrinder Singh was an inaccessible chief minister? Your critics are coming up with all kinds of reasons as to why they say you had become unpopular.
They can come up with inaccessibility. Inaccessibility has been a hallmark of me for the last 52 years, so that is not bothering me. But when they are coming up with other things which you are mentioning, they are absolutely lying. They don't know the facts and they don't know the figures. They don't know what we have achieved, whether it is in the case of the sacrilege cases. I have got my DGP on bail. I have got an IG on bail. I have got SSPs locked up, and my STFs working on the drug issues. I've got so much has been done. You know, we have 46,000 people in jail today for drugs. Do you know that? And catching all these big wigs. We brought 2 people back from Armenia. We've got a person back from Hong Kong. We hope he'll come back soon. Then we've got one from Rome. Then there's another one from some other place. There are 4 big wigs which we've caught hold of. And through Interpol we have got them, and through Government of India. How else do I get it? Punjab police doesn't deal with Interpol. It is the Government of India. So you have to have an interaction. And what about these drones that are bringing all these weapons in? Who's going to deal with them? Home Ministry. Home Ministry has to give the weaponry which can bring them down.
If all
I don't know how much. Yeah.
So, but if all was.
Yeah.
But if all was well, if all was so well, if you were so much in control, you were winning elections as you did in 2014, 17 local elections, then why have you been replaced 4 months earlier? Some are saying that you had made a promise in 2016 that 2017 would be your last election, and the Congress High Command was reminding you of that promise,
yes,
and therefore wanted you to make a graceful exit, but you are not willing to do so.
Look, absolutely, I told them
at
that stage that this was going to be my last election. But there comes, yes, it was true. But let me also tell you that I did not know that Mr. Sidhu was going to come to replace me. That man's a total disaster for my state and for the country.
So that's what I wonder, whether this is a personal battle. Did this all become personal between you and Sidhu? And therefore, in this battle between Sidhu and you, he's won out, he's won the confidence of your leadership for whatever reason. Is that why you're feeling, in a way, so angry and bitter, that after all the years you've given to the party,
no,
Mr. Sidhu is the one that they have chosen, someone who was with the BJP for a long time?
Yes, of course, BJP for a long time is one thing, but the man is an incompetent man. He was the Minister of Local Self-Government. He never cleared his file for 7 months. What are you talking about? I know him. What do I have an animosity with that boy? I mean, I've known him since he was 3 years old. My mother was DCC Congress President and his father was the DCC General Secretary. And when she went in 67 to Parliament, she saw that his father was made DCC President. And from then onwards, I had left the army and he taught me my politics. We used to meet often with his father. So I've seen him from the age of 3. And what he's now become is not that. He is today, I do not know where his competence has gone. It's certainly not here. I may have been left on the cricket field or somewhere. But the man is a total disaster. Please believe me, he's been my minister. And apart from that, I'll certainly not support him for being in this way with Pakistan. His great buddies are all there. and the way he handles them there. After all, it is a matter of national security, and national security for me comes first.
You know, Captain, you're saying all these strong words. Sidhu will hit back and say, look, Captain also, cannot take the moral high ground on any of these issues. You know, it's, as I said, it's become personal. Will this eventually result in benefiting the Aam Aadmi Party and the Akalis in the election? The Congress is splintering. Well, Sidhu, Sidhu tried to suggest to me that Captain had personal relations with people in Pakistan. Why don't you ask him about that?
What has that got to do with, was somebody the chief of the Pakistan Army? Was somebody the chief, was the PM of Pakistan? What has got personal friendship? I've got 40% of Pakistan, Patiala went to Pakistan in 47. When I went to Pakistan in my last tenure to meet when we had the sports and all this sort of thing, that time it was the people from Patiala had a huge reception for me in Lahore. It's not the common man that I'm worried about. It is they are ordinary people. They are people like any common man here. That I am worried about the leadership, the army leadership and the political leadership, which are his great buddies, and the way they are attacking us. But not forget about us here. What are they doing in Kashmir? What are they doing now with the Taliban coming on? It is going to be even worse. So that is a separate issue. But the fact is that we are going to have to we are facing them on a daily basis, because I am a border state. And all these drones and all are bringing all this muck into this country.
Will all of this benefit the Aam Aadmi Party and the Akalis? This fight between you and Sidhu, only beneficiary will be the Akalis and the Aam Aadmi Party?
I don't know. That I cannot say anything. But certainly, if Mr. Sidhu is going to be the face of the Congress, then he's going to get my full opposition. I don't know what other things.
Would you support a Sunil Jakhar? Would you support someone else?
I have no confidence.
Would you support a Sunil Jakhar or someone else? Are you ready to support a Bajwa? Do you have any preference?
That Sunil Jakhar, one minute. Sunil Jakhar was my PCC president when I was chief minister. We got on extremely well. I don't know why they removed him. To make way for this fellow. Why did they remove him?